In our daily life, we use some simplest form to represent the number, like dozen to represent 12 units and pair to represent 2 units. In chemistry also, we have one such simplest form to represent the number of atoms, ions, molecules or any particle. And that form, the simplest form is mole. And 1 mole always equals to 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. Like how 1 dozen is equal to 12, 1 mole equals to 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. For example, 1 mole of carbon contains 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of carbon, and 1 mole of water contains 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 water molecules. And 1 mole of any substance is equal to its molar mass. 1 mole of any substance is equal to its molar mass. For example, 1 mole of carbon atom is equal to 12 grams, or 12 gram of carbon is equal to 1 mole, because molar mass of carbon is 12. If you take sodium, 1 mole of sodium is equal to atomic mass of sodium, that is 23. 23 grams of sodium is equal to 1 mole. Or we can also take the example of water molecule. 18 grams of water is equal to 1 mole, because molar mass of water is 18 gram. If you take glucose C6H12O6, its molar mass, glucose molar mass is 180 gram. So 180 gram of glucose is equal to 1 mole. And 16 gram is the atomic mass of oxygen. So 16 gram is equal to 1 mole of oxygen atom. And 32 grams is equal to the molar mass of oxygen gas, O2 gas. So 32 grams is equal to 1 mole. So therefore we can suggest that 1 mole of any substance is equal to molar mass. Molar mass is equal to 1 mole. Now Avogadro number represents the number of atoms or the number of ions or the number of molecules present in 1 mole of any substance. So 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro number, that is 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. For example, 1 mole of carbon atom or 12 grams of carbon atom, which is equal to 1 mole, contains Avogadro numbers of carbon atom, 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms. If you take 18 grams of water, which is equal to 1 mole, it contains Avogadro numbers of water molecule, 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 water molecule. So this represents Avogadro number.